Hello, it's Rachel from Rachel Jefferies Mixed Media Art and Design from a very cloudy, really wet and quite a chilly day in England. I'm sorry that I can't be with you on video today, but I wanted to send you a quick message to introduce a new collaboration with the wonderful Lynn Greaveson Designs, who's based in New Zealand. Always fun to be working with Lynn. We've created a collection called New Connections, which explores the excitement and the journey of making new connections and working on new projects, etc. I just wanted to just give you a little bit of information about some fun things that I've been doing to create the collection. You'll find scans and textures from my own creative journals, my art journals and my sketchbooks. I've created elements from fun things like vintage bus tickets and labels, music papers, ledgers and other vintage papers from my stash. I've created cute little paper pieces and flowers by hand. There's some digi stuff that I've drawn on the iPad Pro. I've been collaging, which you'll find in the mixed media paper pack. And I've pulled out the sewing machine. I'm getting all my words a jumble. To bring you my lovely messy threads and machine stitching, which can embellish your pages. I absolutely love how this collection has turned out. Me and Lynn are both inspired by nature and working with vintage images. We really hope that you love the collection as much as we do.
Hi, it's Lynn here from Sunbury, Wellington in New Zealand. Really excited to be working with Rachel Jefferies from Rachel Jefferies Designs, who is an amazing designer, and it's always a lot of fun to work with her and to scrap with the result.